Hi. Welcome to my channel. Today I will provide some instructions on how to solve VirtualBox errors when installing Kali Linux. I just installed Kali Linux in this VirtualBox. After arriving at the software install stage, then the installation failed. The following are examples of errors indicating that the installation had a problem. There are various reasons why Kali Linux installation fails. This can include problems such as corrupted or incomplete ISO downloads, insufficient disk space on the target machine, etc. So, how to solve it? Previously we closed the installation first. And delete the Kali Linux file which has the error. Without the hassle, I immediately downloaded Kali Linux Virtualbox, which is available on the download page on the Kali Linux official site. After that we are switched to the offensive security site. They have created Kali Linux VMware and Kali Linux Virtualbox images that they want to share with the community. So we can read here what it says. After that we can immediately download it here. We can choose whether VirtualBox 64-bit or 32-bit, you can download according to your needs. We are ready to download it. The size is around 38 GB. Now we start doing the installation method. Select the file and import virtualbox.ova that we downloaded earlier. Leave this the default setting and start importing. This process may take several minutes, depending on the size of your OVA file. After the process completes, your Kali Linux will be ready to use. This username and password has a default login, i.e. username Kali Dan, password Kali. Username, Kali, password, Kali. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.